Hello everybody, my name is Brian and I'm with Robbins Plumbing. Today we're going to discuss specifically cleanouts, and more specifically ground level cleanouts, and the importance of them and how they can actually be one of the most important things you have in your home. First of all, ground level cleanouts are primarily the access point to your main sewer line outside. So all of your sewer lines are going to go together into one line and then go out to the house, out to the city sewer line. The ground level cleanouts gives us access to them to either run camera equipment, run our drain equipment, whatever we may need to do to access inside that line. That's what they're for. If air can't flow through the top of the sewer system, then it's not going to exit the sewer system either. So it's the exact same thing as playing with your straw when you were a kid. A lot of companies actually won't get on the roof to try and clean out your sewer line because of the dangers involved in it. It is very, very unsafe. If you have ground level cleanouts though, these are generally what they're going to look like. You've got two different options. You're going to have your raised top and your flush top. And the nice thing about having ground level cleanouts is if you are having a problem with your main line and everything's starting to stop up inside, that's where these can be one of the most important things in your house. You start seeing water coming up in your showers and your toilet's not flushing all of a sudden, you can hop outside, take one of the cleanout covers off, and that sewage is going to come up outside instead of flooding and putting sewer water all over the inside of your home. Removing the raised head is actually pretty easy. Just get a pair of adjustable pliers and literally just unscrew. Just like when you were a kid and you were taught lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, turn that counterclockwise until it pops off. It's less common, but another one that you might see on occasion, and these are specifically designed so that they can be flush with the walkway and prevent trip hazards. But if you see a cross like that, you want to get a crowbar, a hammer, anything that you can put across there to catch that. And same thing. You just turn it righty-tighty, lefty-loosey,